In this video, I'll show you how to update the title tag for your Shopify blog post. For example, here's the blog post on my website with the title of Computer Desk Buying Guide, but if you look closely at the browser tab, you'll notice that the title tag is sample blog post. As you can see, it doesn't match the actual blog post title. To make this change, first of all, log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, click on Content, and then select Blog Post. Now look for your blog post. In my case, it's this one, Computer Desk Buying Guide. Let's open it. Once the page loads, scroll a bit down till you find the search engine listing section, then select Edit. And here's the page title. To ensure that it matches the blog post title, simply highlight all the text within the field, then press Delete on keyboard, then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and ensure refreshing the blog post. And as you can see, the title tag now fully matches the blog post title. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found useful. For more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.